Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Today we're gonna talk about gut health and how to heal your gut and how to have a healthy gut and good digestion while on a plant-based diet or on any diet. I start off every day nowadays with Jamaican-inspired tea. This stuff is such a holy grail. It tastes bitter and it tastes disgusting, but it's so amazing for you, and I love starting off my day with that. I also put a little bit of lion's mane in it as well. This helps out with memory, and as a gal with ADHD, I really do my best to make sure I am prioritizing memory. I then went ahead to have a kiwi. I love to start off my day with a fruit or vegetable or like a freshly pressed, cold pressed juice. This helps my stomach to prepare my digestive system for what I will be consuming throughout the day. If I were to start off my day with sugar and starch like bread or something like that, I would feel so heavy for hours. Think about it. After you are resting for 7 to 8 hours and you wake up and the first thing you do is shove bread down your throat, that is not good for you or your digestive system. So I love to ease my stomach and my digestion into the day. Then I went ahead and started off with a tea. I love to have different teas in the day, and I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping juice for the week. This first juice will be a mixture of a tea to really help boost up those nutrients. I'm juicing some pomegranate and some apples, and the tea has sorrel and rosé. This tea and juice mix has so many health benefits like overall immunity strength, helping to ease menstrual cramps, menopause symptoms, blood pressure, a whole heap of something. Of course, I am using the Covings Auto 10 Plus, my favorite all-time juicer. This is the perfect juicer for cold pressing, as it allows the nutrients to stay for 3 days as opposed to other high-speed juicers that only allow the nutrients to stay for about 30 minutes. And also, this is one of the only juicers on the market with a stainless steel blade. It can genuinely cut through stuff seriously. And another reason why I love this juicer is because apples do have cyanide in them, but because this is like a smart juicer, it actually separates the seed out into the pulp. If you're interested in this, you can use code ITELLEATS and link in description box for 10% off. Juice number 2 is because I always need a fresh green juice. This juice does not really taste that great because there's no sweet element in it, but it is for health. It has fennel, which is amazing for digestion. It has kale. A lot of people find that kale is not too easy on their digestion, so it's better for some people to juice it than it would be to consume it regularly. Or if you like to eat kale and you find it bloat up your stomach, you have to really massage it. You have to massage it with a little bit of oil or like some vinegar or whatever liquid you have. Massage it and you will find that the bloating will really go down. When you massage kale, it allows it to get a lot more easily digested. Yes, I'm going to be making yet another juice. Oh, technically these are my shots. I want to make this because I have a whole heap of ginger that I don't want to go bad, and I have these lemons that are like hard as a rock. Listen. It's actually insane. Instead of cold pressing these, because I always like to peel my lemon so that the bitter rind does not get into it, I'm going to be cutting them in half and switching the top of the juicer for the citrus press. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and juice up the ginger and then juice the lemon. thing that I find so important for good gut health and good digestion is consuming yogurt. Just because you are lactose intolerant or dairy free or vegan or whatever, ITAL, does not mean you should not be consuming yogurt or probiotics. There are so many different dairy free yogurt alternatives out there nowadays on different budgets, but this is my new all-time favorite yogurt. It's so creamy and so delicious. I love the flavors. I love that it does not have a whole heap of sugar, and I just love the way I feel after consuming it. Sometimes I'll even eat this in place of ice cream because it's a lot healthier than a lot of vegan ice creams. And of course, we're getting that kick of probiotics as well. Okay, how do I squat down? So this stuff has been trending on TikTok for the longest time, and I'm just now trying it out. It's supposedly supposed to help your hair grow. I'm out of breath because I just ran down the stairs. But it's a 2 tablespoon per day serving, and it doesn't taste too bad. And yeah, it's supposed to help your hair be thicker, longer, healthier. So we'll see after a month, because my goodness, was it expensive. Tastes pretty good. So I was in New York and my dad grew a whole heap of Scotch bonnet pepper, like the real Scotchy, not habanero, and look at how amazing these look. Oh my goodness, they look incredible. So I'm so happy. I'm going to be making like some creamy lentils with some tomato, an onion, half of a bell pepper, half a sweet pepper, and some of this peanut satay sauce from Trader Joe's. This stuff tastes good, all right? And it's amazing for when I'm feeling lazy and I just want to have like a high protein meal with a good sauce. So this is incredible. I usually put like some harissa paste from Trader Joe's to spice it up a little bit, but because I have these, I'm gonna be using this area. So let's get to chopping and cooking because I'm hungry and we're ready to eat. Another thing I wanted to say really quickly is that if you also eat a lot of lentils, if you're vegan, you most likely will, you might find yourself like farting or whatever. Yes, you can cook lentils like right as is, straight out of the packet, but it's better to soak them. So I soaked these since yesterday, and they're going to help out my gut health and my digestion 10 times more than if I were to just cook it regular. You also want to make sure you wash your lentils and do not reuse that water, because there is phytic acid in the water, and phytic acid is what makes legumes harder to digest. Wash it off. Discard if you love yourself. I'm putting some coconut oil in this because I have it and I need to use it all. I'm basically preparing a Buddha bowl. I guess it's a Buddha bowl because I just don't have like a dressing. So I don't know if some people would allow this to qualify as a Buddha bowl, but I love that this plate is full up of different foods that are full of probiotics, full of good gut healthy foods like cucumber, like kimchi, like my lentils that have been soaked overnight, and like protein rich quinoa. This is a cashew pistachio cardamom milk I made in my own home right here, so in my own home, and it tastes incredible. I'm so excited to drink this with my matcha. I hope you all can hear me because I'm like kind of far away from the camera. So I just had my lunch. It was like super delicious. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go for a walk. The reason why I really try to prioritize walking after eating is because it really helps us to digest our food. A lot of times, some people might not feel full per se after eating, and that's just because you need to go on a quick little walk. I watched a video like a year ago or so, and basically this lady was saying was that like the sugar signals haven't reached our brain or something like that. I'll try to see if I can find that video and put it in. Quick little like 5-minute, 10-minute walk after eating, especially a big meal like that, really helps bloating and really helps my digestive system to start going. And it might even help people who are not having regular bowel movements. It is getting cold here in Georgia, so let's go ahead and put on a jacket and walk. Alright, so we're finally on to the last meal of the day. I wanted full out Jamaican yachty vibes. For my last meal, I wanted some boiled green banana and some brown stew tofu. I went ahead and prepared my brown stew the way I know best. And I threw my green banana in the pot with a little bit of oil, or more like a bit of oil. And this is what prevents the pot from becoming sticky and black up. If you know what you know. Anyways, I let this boil for about 25 to 30 minutes. I find that is really easy on my digestion. It's low carb and it's flat out delicious. Boiled green banana is such a comfort food for me. I'm gonna actually put it on my grocery list to get some tomorrow. I went ahead and let the tofu marinate in a little bit of coconut aminos and some seasonings, and I went to go ahead and chop up my onion and some other stuff. I'm trying to do something cool.
The knife is not sharp enough. You can't use the original knife to do it. You gotta use like a
If you are interested in this recipe, it will be linked in the description box down below and on the website italeatsandtreats.com. I do have to say that when I developed this recipe, I did in fact use regular soy sauce and regular tofu. Now I do control my soy intake. I do consume soy definitely, but I do make sure to consume it not as much as I used to. So feel free to use soy tofu or whatever tofu you wish. And if you wish to use coconut aminos or soy sauce, feel free. I personally kind of prefer it with coconut aminos. It provides that same umami flavor, especially when you combine it with other savory seasonings. It's totally up to you. Overall, I really have to say one of the most important things I can share to you all today and ways I've been able to really control bloating and allow my stomach to be at ease and my gut to be healthy and my digestion to be healthy is by walking often. I find that when I'm often walking, I don't really pass gas as much. I find my stomach is a lot flatter. I'm not having as much digestive issues or bloating. I feel clear in the mind and I feel like my gut is really happy. So walking every hour for 5-10 minutes or so is such a saver. And obviously staying away from highly inflammatory foods, lots of canola oil and stuff like that. Staying away from super fried food, or if you do have a fried food, frying it in something like coconut oil or avocado oil. I hope you all were able to take something from this video. I love you all and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.